Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today we're just going to do a couple of simple examples. Basically, searching to see if a name exists in a dictionary. So I'm going to create a dictionary called names and I'm going to enter some names in. So the first one is Dave. It's going to be 45, and then Bill, which is going to be 89, and then Sid, which is going to be 67. Okay, now first of all I'm going to create a function called search names, and I'm going to create a variable called entry. I'm going to assign that to input, and then I'm going to tell the user what to do. Enter name, so the user will enter a name in there. Then what I'm going to do is I want to reduce the name to lowercase, so if you type it in uppercase it will be automatically converted to lowercase. And then we do the search bit, so we start off with a conditional if entry in names. So if the entry is in the names, we print found entry. And then what we do with that, we're going to print off the age as well. So we type in age, then we interpolate names, and then scalar entry into there. Or else, if that's not the point, that's not the name, that's not the case, sorry, we're going to just type in a random message to the user saying not found. Right, so I'll just have a little run along here. So we've got print, we've got format the string here, entry age in names, entry, okay, that's looking okay. Let's call the program now. It's called by search names. Let's stop that there and let's run it. Okay, enter a name, so let's just check for the name. So I think we can enter something like Bill. See if Bill's in there. Yep, found Bill, and age is 99. So let's try it again. This time I'm going to type in something that's not in there. Mark not found. Okay, we're going to do number 2 now. It's going to be slightly simpler. We're just going to keep the entry here. So all we do is if entry in names print entry, and then names, then scalar entry. Again, we're going to have to finish it off with an else. Else print not found. Okay, let's just save that and let's just run the program again. We'll look for Bill in the program, so enter in the name Bill. No, Bill. There we go, Bill89. And again, just to make sure it's fully functional, type in just something random like that, and not found. So there you go. Bob's your uncle and Fanny is your auntie. I hope you enjoyed that. And remember, if you're not already subscribed to the channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button below. Give it a thumbs up and drop me a comment. And I'll catch you again in another video. Bye-bye.